In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. It's actually very simple, but keep in mind that not all games come with a Ubisoft Connect activation code, so it might not be available for your specific game. Still, this is a method you can use to check. First, open your Steam library and find the game for which you want to check the Ubisoft Connect code. For this example, I will be using a game that is not related to Ubisoft, just for demonstration purpose. Once you have selected the game, click on Manage on the right hand side. Then click again on Manage in drop down menu. If the game has an activation code, you will see a CD key option appear. Since the game I am using for this example is not linked to Ubisoft, you won't see CD key here. But if your game is, that's where it would show up. And that's basically how you can find the Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam if it is available for your game. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.